Morning students. Before class, we have studied some points in the chapter chemical reaction and equation. So once again remember some points studied. The four main types of the chemical reactions are identified. Four main types. So that are chemical combination, chemical decomposition, chemical displacement, and chemical double displacement or double decomposition. They are called what? Four main types of the chemical reaction. Today learn some points. Under the heading chemical displacement. So here what do you understand? Define chemical displacement. And different examples are identified. So chemical displacement ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕೆಲವು examples ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Now learn some more points under the heading chemical displacement from the chapter chemical reactions and equation. Friends, remember once again some points under chemical decomposition. Let's start it before class. Chemical decomposition. So what do we call chemical decomposition? So this one already understand. And some examples. There are also identified some examples. And that one also called thermal decomposition and endothermic reaction. Decomposition reaction and endothermic reaction ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ because they need energy absorbed, and thermal decomposition ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. And also understand decomposition reaction that is carried by action of heat and light. Decomposition reaction heat ಅಥವಾ light supply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. And also decomposition reaction that is carried by supply electric current. Electric current supply ಆದಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ decomposition reaction ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now that one understand by the diagram electrolysis of water. So they understand decomposition reaction that carried by pass or supply electric current. So once again now here learn under decomposition reaction. But the idea electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water. So don't understand by the heat diagram or explanation. So that you understand here electrolysis of water or under the heading decomposition reaction. So in the decomposition reaction heat supply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ light supply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆದಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Later goes to displacement reaction. Now comes to the explanation. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Decomposition reaction carried by light and heat and also carried by supply electric current. Supply electric current. So that is one of the important point. And first point here. So that is one of the important point. Supply electric current. Now that understand by neat diagram. Now write the diagram, label the parts, and later goes to explanation. By supply electric current, let express decomposition reaction with the power of the example also. Now comes to neat diagram. So observe here how to write neat diagram. How to attend ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Here take plastic mold or one of the plastic article. Plastic mold or plastic article. So plastic vessel ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಗ್ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. So here take plastic mold. So label the parts here, plastic mold. So here also mention the part one by one. That's called plastic mold. Plastic mold or article or vessel. So now comes to other parts. Now draw the diagram also, label the parts also, and explanation also. What do you understand total here? Decomposition reaction carried by supply electric current also. So that's total explain electrolysis of water. So here take plastic mold. Make two holes the bottom of the plastic molds. So the bottom ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎರಡು ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀವಿ. Make two holes. Make two holes. First we take plastic mold, later to make two holes. ಎರಡು ರಂಧ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೀವಿ. Make two holes bottom of the plastic mold. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಅದರ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರಂಧ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪರ್. ಸೊ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. Here fix a rubber stopper. So now that one also label rubber stopper. Here fix also carbon electrodes. Electrodes ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಗ್ರಹಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂಶ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Here fix carbon electrodes. Fix carbon electrodes. So diagrams neatly observe. Fix carbon electrodes. How to that one mention? Carbon electrodes. So that one fix correctly here. Carbon electrodes. So that's the one of the point here. Explain electrolysis of water or explain decomposition reaction. So that was also label. That's called carbon electrodes or graphite rods. That is label here graphite rod. Graphite rod. Graphite is amorphous crystalline allotrope of carbon. Carbon, non-metal. It occurs different forms. Crystalline form, amorphous form, स्फटिक रूपದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊರೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Graphite is crystalline allotrope of carbon. And now mention that's one graphite rod or carbon electrodes. That one now called what? Electrodes. Electrodes. So next one stepwise step ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Take plastic mug. Make 2 holes bottom of the plastic mugs. Rubber stopper fixed in these holes. Carbon electrode fixed in the rubber stopper. The carbon electrodes that's connected to wires. That is connected to wires. Now label your electric wire. And also there identify switch. And also there identify switch. And this wire that is connected to the wire electric wire ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. That is connected to 6 volts battery. ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That's connected to 6 volts battery. Now that one mention 6 volt battery. Now comes to insert points. So later here fill some amount of the water, otherwise pour water into beaker or into plastic mug. Here fill water. Here fill water. So now comes to mention one of the part in this diagram. Fill water. And here or some amount of, whenever fill water or some amount of dilute sulfuric acid into water. So whenever fill water, here fill water or some amount of dilute sulfuric acid. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದ sulfuric acid ಅನ್ನು ವಾಟರ್ ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this is the explanation. And goes to another point, another step also. After doing this work, after doing this arrangement, the arrangement ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ take 2 test tubes. Take 2 test tube ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Here take 2 test tube. The test tube kept inverted over. Kept inverted ತಲೆಕೆಳಗಾಗಿ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. Kept inverted over. Wherever kept inverted, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಲೆಕೆಳಗಾಗಿ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. So kept inverted over the. Kept inverted over the carbon electrodes. Kept inverted over the carbon electrodes. Electrodes ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ carbon electrodes ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ test tube ಬಂದು ತಲೆಕೆಳಗಾಗಿ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. Here negative parts also carbon electrodes. So that one called what? Test tubes. That one called test tubes. So after doing this one work, once again question, explanation of electrolysis of water or decomposition reaction that is also carried by supply electric current. How to explain? Take plastic mug. Make 2 holes bottom of the plastic mug. Rubber stopper fix the bottom or fix the holes. Carbon electrode fix the rubber stopper. Rubber stopper connected to electric wire. Electric wire connected to 6-volt battery. Fill water in plastic mug. Test tube that is kept inverted over the plastic mugs or inverted over the carbon rods or graphite rod or carbon electrode. So ಈ ತರ 8 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Explain electrolysis of water or explain decomposition reaction by the diagram by supply electric current. Decomposition reaction electric current supply ಆದಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ವಿವರಿಸಿ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Electrolysis of water ಅನ್ನು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗ ಈ ತರ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. So now goes to after doing all this work, switch ಅನ್ನು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That electric current supplied by the battery supplied wherever into graphite rod ಗೆ supplied ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So switch on. Now come here, switch on. Then some changes will take place. Switch on, but apparatus leave some minutes undisturbed. Whenever leave some minutes undisturbed, after some time they observe some type of changes that takes place. ಕೆಲವು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. What do you identify after switch on and leave apparatus undisturbed some minutes? After switch on, leave apparatus undisturbed for some minutes. What do you identify? Some changes to take place that one identify. ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Which one changes takes place? Which one observations here identify? After pass electric current, air bubbles are formed. Correct? ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅನ್ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೂರನೇ ಅಂಶ ಏನನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. The one of the major change they identified as a result of chemical reaction that takes place, air bubbles are formed. ನೀರು ಗುಳ್ಳೆಗಳು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Air bubbles are formed. Now label that one parts. Air bubbles. Air bubbles are formed. So this one identify. Here air bubbles are formed. That is displaced water in the test tube. Test tube ರಿಂದ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂಶವನ್ನ air bubbles displace ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. Today what do you observe here? Whenever pass the current, air bubbles are formed. And also they collected as a result of chemical reaction that takes place. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏರ್ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So there are also gas collected. Now label that one part also. Here now mention test tube A. Here mention test tube B. In the test tube A, they collected the gas. Now mention oxygen. Test tube B, they collected gas. That one mention hydrogen gas. So what does this mean here? Decomposition reaction carried by supply electric current by electrolysis of water. Would explain? Take plastic mug, make 2 holes bottom of the plastic mug, rubber stopper fix these holes, carbon electrodes are fix this rubber stopper, carbon electrodes are connected to wire connected to 6-volt battery. Fill amount of water in plastic mug, add some amount of dilute sulfuric acid into it, into water. Test tube are kept inverted over the carbon electrodes, pass the electric current. After some minutes, identify changes that takes place. ये changes आगे ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, electric current pass ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, that total express chemical reaction, chemical decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So that express decomposition reaction, how to identify? Air bubbles are evolved. Air bubbles evolved ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Air bubbles are evolved. Air bubbles are evolved. And also amount of gas collected in test tube. Okay, now comes here that express decomposition reaction, decomposition of water. Water decomposition ಆಗಿದೆ, water ವಿಭಜನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ water ವಿಭಜನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Decomposing water, the formation of the two gases. Decomposing water, the formation of two gases, oxygen and hydrogen. So represented the chemical equation also. The chemical equation like 2H2O. So 2H mention ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಲಾರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹ mention ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So here they supply electric current. They supply electric current. Water decompose to form vibration of two gases like hydrogen and oxygen. How to, this is the chemical equation that represents decomposition of water. How to identify here? They release oxygen and hydrogen gas. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ? So after some minutes, same amount of oxygen and hydrogen gas they are not collected. Totally gas collected in test tube A and test tube B. So test tube carefully removed from the electrode, carefully removed from the carbon electrodes. First step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. Second step ಅಲ್ಲಿ decomposition of water represented by chemical equation represent ಮಾಡ್ವಿ. Third step ಅಲ್ಲಿ they decompose the water, two gases are released. Third identify hydrogen oxygen gases are released. Third identify, how to identify? They are releasing hydrogen oxygen gas. Test tube carefully removed from the carbon electrodes. Test tube ಅನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The burning candle introduced very close to the test tube. Burning candle introduced very close to test tube or mouth of the test tube. Whenever burning candle, so whenever burning candle introduced, so we got the flame anna ಅಥವಾ burning candle ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So whenever candle introduced, so they collected gases, that one called the oxygen gas, that one called the hydrogen gas. Whenever candle, burning candle introduced mouth, very close to the mouth of the test tube, here appear flame, ज्वाले appearance आಗುತ್ತೆ. Because oxygen supporter of combustion, supporter of burning. So other identify ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, they are releasing hydrogen oxygen gases. Total three steps are identified here. Decomposition reaction and electrolysis of the water. A decomposition reaction carried by the supply electric current. Decomposition reaction carried by supply electric current or electrolysis of water. Two steps identify ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. First step explanation, second step decomposition of water represented by chemical equation, third step how to identify the releasing hydrogen oxygen gases. Burning candle introduced very close to the mouth of the test tube. In the test tube A they collected oxygen gas, test tube B they collected hydrogen gas. Burning candle introduced mouth of the test tube A, here appear the flame. Now identify the releasing hydrogen and oxygen gases. So that is the explanation of electrolysis of water. reaction carried by supply electric current. Okay students, now goes to learn so many points, everyone that are related. So third type of the chemical reaction. So now comes to that points you third type of the chemical reaction. The first type of the chemical reaction called the chemical combination. Second type of the chemical reaction called the chemical decomposition. Third type of the chemical reaction called the chemical displacement reaction. Now comes to this point your chemical displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. So now first define the displacement reaction. Later goes to some examples or identify. The first one example identified by the diagram also. Simple activity also. What is the chemical combination? Reaction in which two or more reactants are chemically combined to form single new product. What is called chemical decomposition? Single reactant are chemically decomposed to form two or more new products. What is called chemical displacement? Combination ದಾಗ ಎರಡು reactants combine ಆಗಿ single product ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Decomposition ದಾಗ single product decompose ಆಗಿ two or more products ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Single reactant decompose ಆಗಿ two or more product ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What is called chemical displacement? First define here. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ one type of chemical reaction. What do you call this one? Chemical reaction in which element present in the compound displaced by the another element. Now define chemical displacement element present in the compound. Element present in the compound displaced by another element. Displaced by another element. That is called as displacement reaction. It also defined by the another statement. How to define by another one statement? The reaction in which a reactive element displaces the less reactive element from the compound. A reactive element displace less reactive element from the compound. So ಆತರ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. I reactive element displace less reactive element from their compound. Less reactive element from their compound. If the statements is there, now define by one statement. Once you understand, element present in the compound displaced by other element, or I reactive element displace the less reactive element from their compound. That is called chemical displacement reaction. Don't understand? By simple activity. Now identify different examples. The first one example of the displacement reaction. Don't understand by simple experiment or simple activity. So what do we? How does identify? Now comes to explanation. So explanation here. Here take the iron knife. ಮೂರು ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಮೊಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ iron knife. So the iron knife are properly cleaned by the sandpaper. Sandpaper ಮೂಲಕ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Properly cleaned by sandpaper. And the two iron knife that is tied with the help of the thread and kept in the test tube. Now first label the parts in this activity. Simple activity. Here take test tube. So label the part this one test tube. Here fill or or take some amount of. How to explain this activity? First identify or first define chemical displacement reaction. Second find now identify simple activity. Explain takes place decomposition reaction by one of the example also. So explain the activity. Here take test tube. Here fill some amount of which one solution? Copper sulfate solution. So now label the second part here. Copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. अब राउंड में देख पड़ती है. Take test tube. Fill some amount of copper sulfate solution. Here test tube that is connected by or that is fixed with the help of the stand connected to otherwise that is fixed with the help of the stand. Now label the other one part, that's one called iron star. So here mention this one part also. Take test tube, fill some amount of copper sulfate solution in test tube. Test tube is fixed by stand. And fourth one step, here already understand, take the iron knife. Properly cleaned by sandpaper. The two iron knife, here two iron knife that is fixed by that is tied with the help of the thread. Now label the other one part here. That is called the iron knife. Two iron knives. That is tied with the help of the thread. Tied with the help of the thread. So here, notice one part here, copper sulfate solution appear as brown color. Remember student, it appear as brown color or appear as blue color mainly. Appear blue color. Copper sulfate solution appear blue color. Take test tube, fill copper sulfate solution. That is test tube fixed by stand. Take the iron knife properly cleaned and two iron knife tied with the thread and the two iron knife that is kept or immersed wherever. This one step, kept or immersed wherever in copper sulfate solution. Another iron knife, it is not immersed, not kept in copper sulfate solution. That one also called what? Iron knife. That is not kept in copper sulfate solution. Okay, so doing all this one work, copper sulfate solution appear as blue color. Doing all this one work, that is kept undisturbed for some minutes. After some minutes, here, so iron knife that is removed from the copper sulfate solution. The two iron knife are tied with the thread and dipped or kept immersed in copper sulfate solution. This is remain undisturbed, leave at the place undisturbed for some minutes. After some minutes, iron knife removed from the sulfate solution, copper sulfate solution. The iron knife, the two iron knife, compare with the two iron knife that is immersed in the copper sulfate solution. That is compare with the third one iron knife. That means the iron knife dipped or immersed in the copper sulfate solution after removed appear as brown color. The third one iron knife not dipped in the copper sulfate solution. It is not appear brown color. That shows whenever iron knife that is immersed in copper sulfate solution, that takes place displacement reaction. And also the other one we identify easily that express displacement reaction. The first one step, identify that express displacement reaction. Iron knife dipped in copper sulfate solution later removed, compared with the third one RNNI, the two RNNI appear as brown color, they identify text phase displacement reaction. Next one step, identify text phase displacement reaction. Compare color of the copper sulfate solution after and before dipped RNNI. Before dipped RNNI appear as blue color. After dipped RNNI, blue color of the copper sulfate solution become fade. Masuka भी काढ़ते हैं. Blue color of the copper sulfate solution become fade. Students, today what we want to study here text phase displacement reaction. So brown color appear on the iron knife, that shows iron is more reactive than the copper, and iron displaces the copper from the solution. Appear as the iron sulfate. So this is one of the experimental activity in explain displacement reaction that represented by the chemical equation. Now comes to one of the example of the chemical displacement. So listen here. So Fe iron react with the copper sulfate CuSO4 later to form FeSO4 and displace copper. Iron react with copper sulfate solution later to form the iron sulfate displace copper. Iron more reactive than copper. So either explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Take test tube, fill copper sulfate solution. So test tube fixed by the stand. Take 2 RNNI, properly cleaned by some paper. The 2 RNNI tied with the tip of the thread and kept in the copper sulfate solution. So third one RNNI not kept in the copper sulfate solution. So later operators leave undisturbed for some minutes. After some minutes identify, remove the RNNI from the copper sulfate. This RNNI compared with the third one RNNI not kept in the copper sulfate solution, here appear brown color, and observe or compare the copper sulfate solution before and after immersed RNNI. Copper sulfate solution blue color after immersed RNNI. And then identify it becomes frayed. Masuka with the blue color to masuka becomes attack. Okay, today identify example of the displacement reaction. Fe plus CuSO4 plus FeSO4 plus Cu. R is more reactive than the copper, and R displaces the copper from this solution. Let us form the ferrous sulfate. Iron sulfate. Now identify another example here. Zinc react with the copper sulfate. Zinc also more reactive than the copper. Define. Iron reactive element displaces less reactive element from their compound. Zinc is high reactive element displaces copper in the solution. Zinc more reactive than copper. High reactive element displaces less reactive element. Zinc displaces copper in the solution to form zinc sulfate. ZnSO4 plus Cu. Now identify other examples also of the displacement reaction. Identify other example also. Third one example, likewise say parts. Zinc react with the copper chloride. Let it form the zinc chloride ZnCl2 plus copper. And also identify another example. Lead react with the copper chloride. Let it form the lead chloride PbCl2 plus Cu. Fe iron, Zn zinc, Pb lead, CuSO4 copper sulfate, CuCl2 copper chloride. Iron, zinc, lead more reactive than the copper, and these are displaced the copper in the solution. Let us form their respective product. Fe plus CuSO4 plus FeSO4 plus Cu. Zn plus CuSO4 plus ZnSO4 plus Cu. Zn plus CuCl2 plus ZnCl2 plus Cu. Pb plus CuCl2 plus PbCl2 other examples. Every examples ಕೂಡ identify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Now identify another example also. Zinc react with the H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Zinc also react with the hydrogen, displace the hydrogen, and it form the zinc sulfate. ZnSO4 plus H2O. So number of examples identified in displacement reaction. More reactive element displaced, less reactive element from the compound. Simple point. Element present in the compound displace another element in the compound. That's called displacement reaction. Students, now we have studied 2 points. Decomposition reaction carried by supply electric current. And second point, define displacement reaction. And third point, different examples of the displacement reaction. Learn so many points in the next class. Okay. Headphone. Let's see what.